M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So M17 project, open source digital transmission. Can we change our RF analog radio into a M17 transmitter or transceiver? Yes, we can. And we can even use it via a hotspot like the Zumspot. As long as the hotspot does allow M17 through it, you can even use that. So then you're going to have worldwide communication from your shack using the same setup. So the first thing you need to do is get one of these modules. This one's called the Module 17 Open RTX M17. It's the newest version and it is available at the moment on AliExpress for about £30. Now you are going to need to get yourself a cable. The radios in the radio you can see in this photograph is the Yaesu FT6000, but what you need is a 9600 output from the radio, and they tend to be 9-pin. Now there is a GitHub page with lots of information. If I just quickly show you the diagram to make the 9-pin cable, which is here, it's all, you know, it's all there. I pause it, and of course the link to look at all this information is going to be in the video. And if we read what this says here, and thanks to Tech Minds for, I've used the photograph at the bottom there with the picture of the radio and this screenshot from Tech Minds, so thank you very much. So it says here, welcome to Module 17. The project provides a standalone smart microphone that transforms any 9600 board capable transceiver into an M17 compatible radio. It is based on the STM32F4 microcontroller and is designed to run the Open RTX firmware. Audio and PTT connectivity is given through a Kenwood 2-pin compatible connector, 2.5mm and 3.5mm. So basically, once you've got this board, you buy the board, you will have to buy the OLED screen separate. You load up the Open RTX firmware from M17, which is completely free, of course. Then you connect the cable to your radio. You are effectively now transmitting M17 to the available power of that radio, and you can plug an external speaker and a Kenwood twin-pin type microphone into this board. So of course there's more to this. I'm going to provide the links in so you can purchase the board eventually, so you can either purchase or make the cable, the OLED screen, and then most of us have got an old Yaesu radio with a 9-pin 9600 output. I've got an old FT7900 upstairs. So effectively this is the only system that I know of where you can turn a normal analog radio into a digital radio. And guess what? Once you have got a digital radio, what can you then do? You can use a hotspot or a repeater, an M17 enabled repeater, to talk to your M17 friends around the world. Why do this? Because M17 is open source. We can play around with it, we can experiment, and no one's going to send us a nasty message saying don't use this system. Of course, everything you do, check your license, make sure you know your ham radio license allows you to do it and within your power and specifications and all the rules that apply. But thanks so much to M17. I've been getting a lot of advice from the team there and learning this system, which feels advanced at first. But when you really get your head around it and learn the system, it's actually can be done. And for around £50, you could turn your transceiver into a digital hotspot as well, repeater, transceiver. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Catch you on Air 7.3. All the best.